Yes, well, I wanted to be different, and few of my models have never walked the runway, and so I wanted to give them an opportunity to build their confidence and showcase their talent. I'm based in Tairawhiti, Gisborne. I was born and raised in South Auckland, in Otara, and my parents, my dad is from Whasitu'uta and Letongo, and my mum is from Savaii Whalelima, is her village. And so the inspiration of the collection was mainly dedicated to those impacted by the cyclones, but mainly on the east coast. And so the palette was mainly the greens, earthy colours, and the whole theme around it was the music was to inspire and instill hope and courage that we will all get through this together and just keep going. Sunny days are ahead, I hope.
It's really exciting to be here, watch Susana Tasi showcase here at New Zealand Fashion Week. Everyone loved what they saw on the runway. Her colour palettes were beautiful and there was a lot of creativity in there. I love how she acknowledged 685, so we were kind of proud there. And I'm wearing Susana Tasi as well, so well done Susana Michelle. I know it's been a long journey and you deserve all the accolades and credits that are coming your way.
And so 98 cents are from Gisborne, and so along with a couple of other models that we are invited to come and walk the runway, and they've never walked a runway or modelled in their life. And then we also had a visually impaired model, and it was giving him the opportunity to shine his light and have his moment of fame, and it's a reflection of the brand and who we are. So yes.
I guess coming from Gisborne, seeing what's here, everyone dressing up and celebrating fashion, it's definitely a great opportunity for us to come and celebrate that as well.
Yeah, so we go to Portugal for Hip Hop Unite World Championships in October. So we competed in the national one and we won the adult duos. So we qualified to go to the Worlds, and so that's where we'll be heading.
Okay, so if you would like to support our journey to go all the way to Portugal, we have a Give a Little page. So I'd say the best, easiest way would be to Google 98 cents and search for our Give a Little page.
It's called 98 cents to Worlds, and also if you're just interested in just seeing where we're at, following what we're doing, we have a Facebook page called 98 cents as well.
I just wanted to do this for the gutters, that you can do something super amazing with your life.